Sticky Stories. One summer day, a family was on its way to a picnic spot in the countryside. On reaching their destination, they could not hold their excitement. There is Mom, Dad, little Aaron, and where is Abby? There she is. Abby could no longer wait and sprinted away. Ahead, there was an arrow pointing towards the farm. Abby said, "Hey, I can see the farm. Come on." There they met some farm animals. "Moo!" called out Abby. And near the lake, they found a spot to eat some yummy apples Mom had packed. Dad was behind the camera clicking pictures. "Say apples," he said. Near the bushes, Abby found a friendly ant. She shared a piece of apple with it. "Thank you," said the ant. Oh, suddenly there was a noise. An airplane was flying up in the sky, and it dropped something using a parachute. It is the letter A. Here we have the uppercase A and the lowercase a. A says A. A is for airplane. A is for ant. A is for apple. A is for animal. A is for arrow. So we learnt about the letter A, its sound and few words starting with the letter A. Bye bye.